Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to be working on the Del Sol, and we'll be installing this cheap eBay wing. Alright, so the spoiler came with this bracket. I went ahead and installed some of the hardware to the bracket, and then now we just got to drill our holes and then mount it where we need it. Alright, so I just got done drilling the holes. I'm going to use this grinding bit to debur the holes a little bit, and then this is some Flex Seal that I'm going to put over to help, so when it rains it doesn't leak. Quick update, I went to the store and I bought some cable, and I was thinking it would be cool to run the X through the wing, so I got that, and then we'll be drilling holes in the mounting bracket, and then we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I couldn't finish last night because I had to go and buy 2 more of these today. I finished making this off camera, so let's get them installed and see how they look. outlet with the cable brace. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching the video.